Do you dream of exploring Dubai and the United Arab Emirates but don't know where to start? With its futuristic skyscrapers, luxurious resorts, stunning desert landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, this destination offers an unforgettable experience. However, to fully enjoy your trip without setbacks, careful planning is essential. Dubai and the United Arab Emirates without mistakes. Your complete travel guide is your ultimate resource for discovering this fascinating region safely, affordably, and stress-free. Packed with detailed information and practical tips, this ebook will help you plan your trip the right way, avoiding common tourist pitfalls and making the most of every moment. Explore must-visit attractions from the iconic Burj Khalifa and the artificial islands of Palm Jumeirah to the majestic Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi and thrilling desert safaris. Learn how to get around efficiently, choose the best accommodations, experience world-class cuisine, and understand local customs and etiquette. Plus, get insights on visa requirements, the best time to visit, and money-saving tips to enjoy luxury without overspending. Imagine walking through the dazzling souks, experiencing the thrill of a desert adventure, and immersing yourself in a culture that blends modernity with deep-rooted traditions, all with confidence and without unexpected hassles. With this guide, you'll have everything you need for a smooth and unforgettable trip. If you're ready to explore Dubai and the UAE with ease, get your copy of Dubai and the United Arab Emirates without mistakes, your complete travel guide today. Start planning your dream trip with confidence.